Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger and I'm back with another video. If you have not already subscribed, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you know when I upload new content. Today I have an unboxing of an order that I received from Beads. They carry all kinds of little crafty things, and they asked me to review some products, make some projects with their products, and do a couple videos. So I am going to do that. It took about 10 days for my order to arrive, and it was, not damaged, nothing like that. I just slit open the top. There is one thing, there is nothing identifying them as Beads on this package. So I had to actually open the package, get my packing slip out. There's nothing on the packing slip identifying Beads. At least if it is, it's in Chinese. I can't read it. So I had to go back and check my order number with a couple of orders that I placed, and finally found out that this is my order from Beads. So yeah, so I'm gonna do, I've slit open the packaging. It is so wonderfully packaged. I doubt that anything arrives broken. At least they just have really good quality packaging, and I'm grateful for that. There's nothing worse than ordering an order and getting it sent to you and something being broken or not packaged properly. So this is awesome. It does make it a little difficult to get into when you get it, but we figured that out. So I will take my goodies out, set them over here to the side. Then I have my packing list. And I will link everything in the description below so that if you are interested in ordering something, you can just click on that link and go and find it. Most of the things, because I am a paper crafter, most of the things that I order, I do so with paper crafting in mind. I am not a big jewelry maker, or have not worked with beads very often. So when I order, I do keep that I'm a paper crafter in mind. So the first thing that I ordered, and also I will tell you, when you order, you think that you're ordering one package of what they have. In reality, if I were to read it closely, you get several packages. So I think I have enough to open my own store, but yeah, it is, you get a lot. So the first thing that I got, let's see if I can get into it. First, I have to tell you that I'm talking to someone who is suspended. I received in the mail today, and actually I was anxious to go out to get the mail because I had something from the DMV, which kind of reminded me that about a month ago I received a letter in the mail from the DMV saying that I needed to show proof of insurance for the new vehicle we bought. We bought a vehicle in April. The place that we bought it for, you pay your DMV fees and registration right there, so then you don't have to go into the DMV and do it, because the DMV in California is yeah, like that's a whole nother world. So they sent me my registration and such. Well, I didn't even think about showing proof of insurance, so they sent me a letter in June. We need you to show proof of insurance. If you don't do it by July 20th, we're going to suspend your registration. Well, when I got that letter today, I thought, oh my gosh, they've suspended me. Which, in actuality, they have. They did not get all my documents that I sent in, even though I sent them the very next day that I received their letter. So they sent me today on the 23rd that my registration is suspended. I've been driving on it for 3 days. not knowing that it was suspended. So my in-laws are going to take me to the DMV tomorrow, which is a really traumatic experience. You know, luckily for me, I get to go in the line that is for people with disabilities. So hopefully it won't take as long. But I don't know how they're doing it with this social distancing, because I can't personally, with a compromised immune system, be in a room full of people that is, I mean, when you go to the DMV, it's like maximum overload. So I don't know how they're doing it, if we have to stand outside. I don't even know what the process is like. So we'll see tomorrow. But, and of course I have to pay a $14 suspension fee to reinstate my registration. But all because they did not get my documents or did not update my account, whatever. I feel like a total illegal, I don't know. I don't let due dates pass by. I don't ignore notices. I, you know, respond to them timely, like in the next day. And still, I'm suspended. So, yeah, that's not great. So anyways, I got these star sequins. They are like pink. They're all like iridescent. You get pink, blue, and like a white iridescent. Super cute. And I'm so glad that you get 6 packages of them, so I can make several little sequin mixes with these. And then I have some embellishments that I love to make with the sequins. So that was my first product. And remember, I'll link everything in the description for you. And then I got, now some of these sequins are for like nail decorations, and don't think I won't use them on my nails, because I will. But maybe that'll be one of my project shares. But anyways, you get 12 colors in here, and you get 3 boxes of them. So super excited for this. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. And you get, these are all hearts. You get the purple and the pink and the gold and the blue. Then you get like a lavender and a red and a green, and then like a pinkish purple, and then a turquoise blue, orange, a white iridescent, and then a yellow. And all of these are really iridescent. So you get 3 packages of those. And like I said, they're for nail decals, but yeah, I'm going to use them on my crafty projects. So that was my second item. And then I got this kit. You get these like teardrop sequin pieces. And I've actually had a friend who has made me some earrings from these. She makes her own. But look at these sparkly things. And my intention for them is to use them on danglies for my paper crafts. So that is how I plan to use these. And they have a hole right at the very top, so you can make them into earrings or into little dangles for your projects. But they'll be perfect as embellishments. There's all kinds of things you can do with these for paper crafting. And then I received some smaller ones, which I love. And you get these are like kind of tie-dyed. They're all very glittery. I will link them down below. And all these, I think you get pairs, so you could even make earrings out of them. So super cute. Plan on using these on for little dangles on my projects. And then you also get these, which are rectangle, but they're also kind of the gradient colors. And you get 1, 2, 3, you get 10 pieces. So these will be perfect for embellishments on projects or as a little dangly on a tag or on a planner. Then you get three of this yellow sequin mix. I'm going to make some embellishments with this. You get 3 of them. It's in a really cute plastic jar. And then I can always add some of the hearts or the other yellow that I got to make just kind of a unique sequin mix. And then also with this kit, you get these boxes of really tiny star embellishments, glitter, all different colors. You get 3 boxes, they're all the same. So again, to make more glitter mixes or sequin mixes, super cute. You get 3 of those. And then lastly, I got this kit of glitter mixes. And boy, do you get a lot. I think they are all the same. And these are for people like that do, they're like nail techs, and they do, and then these are just little glitter flakes, and you get 12 colors. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 10 boxes. And they are just little glitter flakes. Let me see if I can show it a little closer. But they're perfect to add to your sequin mixes. And so I am so excited to have all these sequins to make different mixes and embellishments. And I think this is my favorite order ever. And I can't go anywhere because my registration is suspended until I get taken care of tomorrow. So this is what I'm going to be doing, is working on sequin mixes and embellishments. So I will link everything down below, and because some of this stuff you're going to want to snag because you get so much in your package. You know, I thought I got 1 of each, and you get like a whole kit. You get 10 of these. I got 6 of the iridescent star sequins, and then I got 3 of the boxes of the heart sequins. So super, super happy with my order. Can't wait to create, and everyone have a happy Thursday evening. And I'm going to stay home because I'm suspended, and and I will just create. So I will be back with another planner crafty video, hopefully to show you some of the projects I'm going to make with this and put together some of my sequin mixes. Have a wonderful evening.